Hi, this is Kayla Murphy from the Fabric Garden in Madison, Maine and fabricgarden.com. I have real exciting news for you today. I'm going to be previewing the State of Maine Shop Hop fabrics for 2020. And the fabric line this year is Birds and Berries. These fabrics are digitally printed, exclusive to the State of Maine Shop Hop, and you cannot get them anywhere else in the country. We have them and we are going to be pre-ordering these fabrics. You can go to our website, fabricgarden.com, pre-order, or stop in the store and order. We will hold your order for shipping or pickup April 1st when the hop starts. The first 50 people who place an order, whether in the store or online, we're going to have a free gift for you. And it's going to work really well with these fabrics. So I'd like to share and show you what these are. The first one is Eastern Bluebird and Cloudberry. So beautiful fabric, and on the side of the selvage you'll see the State of Maine is the image of the colors that were used in the printing, and also has the name of the fabric and the berry, and with our 20th anniversary of Shop Hop. I'm proud to say have been in the Fabric Garden, has been in the Shop Hop for 20 years. I like to support our state and our quilters. The next one is Oriole and Blackberry, right in here. We have Nuthatch and Bittersweet Berry. Yellow Warbler and Wild Strawberries. You can almost eat them off the fabric. Grosbeak. And I wonder if anybody knows what this is in here. What a beautiful blueberry. Very, very pretty design. We have purple finch and gray dogwood berry. Soft and delicate. Cedar, waxwing, and wild raspberries. Beautiful hummingbird, very delicate. The design and the detail, beautifully with the digital printing, beautiful. With the elderberry, nice and soft. Who doesn't love a cardinal? Nice and striking, beautiful reds, worked with the juniper berry in the background. What a striking fabric. And last but not least, I saved the State of Maine bird, the Chickadee, and Winterberry fabric. Beautiful design, delicate, delicate feathers. What could you make with this? So we have yardage available. You can again order on fabricgarden.com or in the store. We're also offering fat quarter packs of all 10, half yard packs, and full yard packs, one of all 10. Right in here, you see 30 fabrics. These are the 30 Shop Hop coordinate fabrics that you can use with your projects for the Maine Shop Hop 2020 line of fabrics with the birds and berries. I hope you enjoyed my preview. I hope that you can share this with a friend. Quilters are going to love these fabrics. And if it's anything like last year, I think these are going to fly right out of here.